How to verify your age on Roblox. So if you want to verify your age on Roblox, then first you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to go with Roblox and make sure to log into your Roblox. Once you're logged into your account, now you need to go with the profile option, which is on the upper right. And here you need to go with settings. Go with settings again. And you will have your account info. So you just need to simply go with personal, and under that you will have verify my age. Click on verify my age and it will take you to the identify verification. Now to verify your age on Roblox, you need to have a valid ID such as driver's license or passport or ID card or residence permit. And you need to have a smartphone. So you need a smartphone in order to continue. So you just need to simply take your smartphone and open up the camera app to begin with. So you just need to simply scan the QR code, which you can see right here. Once you go with the QR code, then it will take you to an interface from where you will be able to enter the information like your ID, like your driver's license, ID, or anything. You just need to simply enter your personal information. And please note that you're about to start ID verification process with the third-party service provider. The information collected through this process will be used for the purpose of securing your account or enabling Roblox features. So you just need to simply scan, and after that you will get a form in which you need to enter your information, and after you go with the steps, your age will be verified. So make sure to have the original IDs, and that's how you can verify your age. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.